Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
After a running battle with his principal over his governorship ambition, Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shuabu, had sought the forgiveness of Governor Godwin Obaseki. In his response, Governor Obaseki maintained that Right Honorable Shuabu must jettison his governorship ambition as a precondition for an amicable resolution of their political differences.
In September 2016, Godwin Obaseki was elected governor of Edo State on the platform of the All Progressives Congress (APC) in a joint ticket with his deputy, Right Honorable Philip Shuabu. 4 years after, Governor Obaseki was denied his party's ticket to seek re-election, having fallen out with his predecessor, immediate past Governor Adams Oshomole. Both Governor Obaseki and Right Honorable Shuabu are political proteges of the former governor. But the deputy governor chose to pitch his tent with the sitting governor. The duo defected to the opposition People's Democratic Party, PDP, and secured a joint ticket to contest the September 2020 governorship election, in which they emerged victorious. Having served 2 terms in office, Governor Obaseki is constitutionally ineligible to contest next year's election, but this does not apply to Deputy Governor Shuabu, who wants to succeed the governor and carry on with the policy of continuity in the governance of Edo State. However, Shuabu's governorship ambition does not go down well with the governor, who insists on the principle of power rotation in Edo State. Immediate past Governor Adams Oshomole, who ruled between 2008 and 2016, is a product of Edo North Senatorial District, where Deputy Governor Shuabu hails from. In 2016, power shifted to Edo South, which is a political precinct of the sitting governor. The governor insists, therefore, that power should shift to Edo Central in 2024. In his disapproval of the deputy governor's ambition, Governor Obaseki's actions have been rather vindictive and personalized. The deputy governor has been evicted from his office and denied access to the governor, prompting him to beg for forgiveness in a recent chat with journalists in Benin City, the Edo State capital.
I will use the medium to appeal to Mr. Governor. If there's anything that I don't know that I've done, please forgive me, so that we can develop our state together. We have just less than how many months? Just 1 year to go. We have been the envy of the entire country. It's still possible. So, Mr. Governor, please, if there's anything you feel that I've done, I am sorry.
In his response, the Edo State governor, who may have realigned with former Governor Oshomole in the politics of 2024, insists that his deputy must jettison his governorship ambition as a precondition for peaceful resolution of their differences. The ongoing political feud in Edo State has continued to generate an avalanche of reactions across the Niger Delta. Convener of Eshon Advocates for Good Governance, Comrade Bartholomew Okoudo, accuses Deputy Governor Shuabu of being too desperate to become governor and playing to the gallery to achieve his selfish ambition.
Comrade Philip Shuabu's attempt to call the Progressive Party is aimed at twisting the governor to join in his bid of becoming Edo State governor. The frustration he expresses is only a call way to make it seem as if he is being victimized, but everyone knows he is intoxicated by his inordinate ambition.
Other close watchers of unfolding events in Edo State, however, disagree that the principle of power rotation is a gentleman's agreement and remains unconstitutional. This argument is buttressed with reference to the likes of Olumide Akpata, former president of the Nigerian Bar Association, and Senator Matthew Urogide, both of whom are from Edo South and are pulling their weight in the governorship race. It is further argued that trying to stop the Edo State deputy governor from contesting the forthcoming governorship election amounts to infringing on its right to pursue his dream.
Of course, he has a right to contest for any position he wants to. Because that is why now the governor has shut him out, which is not too good. So we condemn it in its entirety.
Nobody should impose himself as a god of the people. Let the people decide who governs Edo State.
Mark Anikbo, a retired professor of sociology in the University of Port Harcourt, fears that Edo is preparing for its next governorship election in a topsy-turvy state. Professor Anikbo calls on the feuding parties to embrace dialogue to reconcile their differences ahead of the forthcoming election.
The governor has a lot of supporters. The deputy has a lot of supporters. You find that because both of them are, in conflict or loggerhead, then of course all their supporters see themselves as being in conflict, and the thing now spreads to other people who don't even know what the matter is all about. Some organization or some people must have to get the governor and the deputy to a dialogue position.
Edo State governorship election is scheduled to hold on 21st September 2024. As things stand, the principle of power rotation and popularity of candidates have become two important issues the voting public will have to consider in deciding who becomes the next governor of Edo State.
Inside the Niger Delta,